Huh. We got a bunch of weird hotels here. You got like Crack Central, like right next to Get In Here. Hey, what's going on? Nice hotel, you know? And then like right next door is like not a nice hotel. What's up, everybody? What's happening? Hope you're out there mobbing, having a great day. Tonight is a night video. Well, there's no other way to put it. I got a new lamp. I got a new headlight along with my shed lights, and we're just cruising. Pedal assist level 4 on the curbs, about 16 miles an hour. 3 battery. People probably think, like, what is he doing on that? He's mobbing on that bike. If they don't understand that it's like an electric bike, they're like, what is he doing on that bike? Yeah, let's get back on the road. By going across the road, that makes sense. All right. Okay, so this is the park. This is the part of the video where I do some shameless self-promotion. Just give me 15 seconds, guys, I guess, give or take. Just like, comment, and subscribe. And I will keep putting out content, excuse me, like this. And then eventually we'll be doing crazy stuff. But right now, we're just making laps. Whoa. Yeah, I'm sitting on the dock of the bay. Yo. Okay. Yeah, I want to wake those people up. It's just for a video. It's not worth it. Oh, cool pelican. I wanted to go over there and make a video, but then I saw that there were people sleeping. And that's not my style, to wake them up for me to do a vlog, because I guarantee their life's worse than mine, and that sucks. So I'm just gonna stay away from them. I mean, I don't mind hanging out with them, sitting, chilling, but I don't want to wake them up at like 2 or 3 in the morning. And then they're like, oh no, today is here. Because I've been there. You know, we've all had rough days. Oh, this is freaking sweet. Would you just look at that pool? Oh, wow. I wonder if they would kick me out if I just parked my bike and started swimming 2 o'clock in the morning. Actually, when I moved down here, okay, story time. Story time. Look, when I moved down here, me and the girl I was dating at the time, before it was renovated, assure you, that's where I stayed, and I think I had like 300 bucks. And I know 300 bucks is a lot of money, but yo, check these guys out. I don't know if you can see them on the GoPro, but anyways, in story time, or not end of story time, story time. Just gonna drive underneath this sailboat. I moved here with the girl. What in the Florida? You guys seeing this? There is a dinosaur. I'm sorry about the F word, but that is mandatory at this moment. I literally just found a dinosaur in the woods. Okay, you never know what you're gonna see. See, when I say that, you think I'm just saying it. But really, you never fucking know. There he is, Mr. Dinosaur. All right, we'll come back in the daytime and check him out then. But about now, it's about time we head back to the house. But we're gonna do it another way than we came, because that's what you do. Up to 5. And if you're going straight, I just look him in the eye bezels and say, I'm going straight. All right? So we're gonna go through downtown, and then we're gonna head up, because this is cool ass content, and I like it. If I enjoy it, I hope you enjoy it. And if you do, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And in the next video, we arm out all the time. Flying through. Woo. I almost slipped out on that sand. That was insane. Holy crap. Yeah, I was just realistically just trying to let that guy drop by. Now we out you. Indian Burial Mound Park. I think it's kind of stupid that they made parks out of burial mounds, but whatever. We're America, we can do what we want. Alright, we're gonna loophole this. Go in here. As the road gets smaller. Alright. So, here's where we get into maybe homeless territory. And this shall be fun. Because this... it's Fort Walton. You gotta love it. Random drug deals going down in the park. Local Publix. Crazy, man. Crazy cop. He just had to. Waiting on the cars to pass me by. Maybe a ramp. Ah, a little one.